Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net. Alright, so today we're going to be showing you how to replace a taillight on a Ford. This is going to work from 2008 on to 2016. The newer ones will probably be very similar, but this for sure is going to work on 2008 to 2016. We got a 2010 right here. Not sure if you can see the moisture buildup with inside this light. It's a 2010 truck, so it's a little older, so the gasket either got damaged or is just dry rotted and failing. As you can see, we got a lot of condensation buildup in there, which is causing the light bulbs to fail prematurely. So this particular one I'm going to swap out with a whole new unit, an LED one with an LED backup bulb. The procedure is pretty simple. We're going to put the tailgate down. There's going to be an 8mm bolt here and here we need to remove, and then we just need to wiggle it out of 2 push pins here and here. Alright, so we got the tailgate down. So there's going to be one 8mm bolt we need to remove right here at the bottom, and then one right here at the top, right above the tailgate strap connection point. So right there and right there. So we'll go grab an 8mm socket and a ratchet and get those removed, and then we'll do the 2 push pins on the outer side and pop our light housing right out. Go ahead and flip it over and undo our wiring by pressing the clips and removing them. Sometimes you may need a screwdriver to push down the clip a little bit and go ahead and work the bulb out. Now that we got the old one removed, we'll go ahead and open up our new one. Alright, so they came nicely packaged. There's a lot of packing material in here to keep them safe from getting broken. And that'll be our driver's side here. This is what we went with for the upgrade for the LED reverse bulbs. So we got the smoked look. So I'm not sure if you can see them in there. It's got that LEDs right here for the brake lights, the running lights, and down here's a reverse light. We're going to go ahead and flip it over, pop that bulb out. This does have the controller piece with some self-sticky tape to stop that hyper flashing since they are LEDs and not the regular halogen bulbs. So we'll pop that reverse light out and go ahead and get it swapped out for one of these new ones. Now, if for some reason your LED bulb doesn't light up, swap it out to 180 degrees. I believe these ones don't matter, but some of the earlier sets do. So we'll get that reinstalled. Alright, so now that we got our LED bulb replaced for our reverse lights, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the box here that does the hyper flashing and get rid of that. We're just going to squeeze, depress that clip. We'll grab an alcohol wipe and a dry microfiber cloth. We'll go ahead and clean an area, stick this in there, and then we can go ahead and install the new taillight. Alright, so we're first going to wipe off the dirt up here. We're going to stick it up here so it's up and out of the way. Wipe that dirt off. We'll grab an alcohol prep pad. We'll go ahead and wipe that down with the alcohol, then use the other side of that microfiber and go ahead and get it dry so we can go ahead and adhere that box. Pull that double-sided tape sticker off and stick it up in there with the wiring facing down. Alright, now that we got that mounted, we can go ahead and hold our taillight here, make our wiring connection, push it in to our push tabs, and then go ahead and put our screws back in to hold it in position. Now your reverse light has moved, so we're going to need to tuck that underneath the bar here as our reverse light is now on the bottom. Kind of where it should be to begin with, so it's pointing down closer to the ground. Got that one on. Go ahead and do this last one up here. Okay, with all our wiring on, like I said, we'll line up our 2 push clips on the outside edge there and push it back in. Alright, so once we got it pushed in, we'll go ahead and reinstall those 2 8mm screws. Starting them by hand for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Just snug them up with the ratchet and socket. Go ahead and test it and make sure it works. So the running light there on that side works, the big C. We got the side running light as well. We'll go ahead and tap the brake lights and then try the turn signal. We'll go ahead and try the reverse bulb, make sure that works as well. You can see the reverse bulb working, so that is installed correctly as well. So now we're going to go ahead and repeat the process and change out the passenger side. Move the 2 bolts. Wiggle it loose, pop it out, undo our electrical connections. Seems like it's easier with this reverse one to go ahead and pop the whole bulb assembly out and then come back and get it off. Reverse bulb down to the bottom now. Check your gap around the outside, make sure you got it in there. We'll go ahead and reinstall those 2 8mm bolts. Not going super tight, we're just going snug so the taillight doesn't rattle. We don't want to crack it. So now that we got this one installed, we'll go ahead and test it as well. Make sure our running lights work, our turn signal, our brake light, and our reverse light. Reverse light is working, so this one's properly installed. So we'll go ahead and put the tailgate up and show you what it looks like from the back. So with everything working as it should, that's it. We just shown you how to replace the taillights in a 2008 to 2016 F250, 350, or 450. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button he placed in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you, and on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of DIYguy.net.